In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Microsoft PowerPoint 2020. We'll work entirely in PowerPoint on the web, and by the end, you'll have a clean, correctly sized thumbnail ready to customize. Start by signing in to your Microsoft account through Outlook. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open PowerPoint. In the PowerPoint home screen, use the search bar and type thumbnails. This pulls up ready-made thumbnail templates, which are a great starting point. Browse the designs until you find one that matches your style or the tone of your video. When you've picked a template, select it and click Edit to open it in the editor. Before you design, let's make sure the size is perfect for YouTube. Go to the Design tab at the top, choose Slide Size, then click Custom Slide Size. Set the width to 13.33 inches and the height to 7.5 inches. Keep the orientation set to landscape. These measurements match a 16.9 aspect ratio, which is YouTube's recommended thumbnail format, equivalent to 1280 by 720 pixels. If PowerPoint asks how to scale the content, choose Scale to Fit so your template adjusts neatly without stretching. Click OK to apply. Now you can start customizing. If you want to swap the main picture in the template, click the image on the slide, then choose Change Picture. You can pull an image from your device, your cloud storage, or search the web directly. I'll use Search on the web. Click it, browse for an image that fits your topic, and when you see one you like, select it to insert. After it's placed, resize and reposition it so the subject is clear and nothing important is cropped. Keep key elements away from the edges to avoid accidental cuts in different displays. Next, edit the text. Click into any text box to update your title or keywords. Aim for short, punchy wording, usually 5 words or fewer, so it remains legible at small sizes. Use bold, high contrast colors between text and background and pick a font that's easy to read. You can adjust font size, color, and spacing to create hierarchy, making your main phrase stand out. As you fine-tune, think about consistent branding. Use your usual colors or a simple accent color to keep things cohesive. Keep the layout clean, avoid clutter, and make sure the focal point is obvious at a glance. That's it. You've selected a thumbnail template, set the correct size, swapped in your image, and edited the text to make it pop. You're now ready to use your PowerPoint thumbnail for your next YouTube upload.